Imagine a confident putting stroke you can repeat every time you step on the green.
To sink more putts, you need a confident, repeatable stroke.
Now there's a new way to get that confident stroke you need when the pressure's on. Introducing Frogger's new Archangel. The Archangel uses what's already in your bag. It turns your graphite driver or alignment stick into a putting aid. Let the Archangel guide your putter on plane, creating a natural pendulum and perfect arc path. It's the repeatable stroke you want when it counts. The Archangel works for all heights, stances, and putter types. It folds up and fits in your bag. Plus, it's great at home or the office.
The Archangel is the best putting aid I've ever used.
Frogger's new Archangel is only $29.95. When you order, you'll receive 2 Archangel supports, a storage bag, and a free DVD with top teacher Chris Moe. Plus, call right now and we'll ship it to you for free. Learn the repeatable pendulum stroke you need to sink more putts with Frogger's Archangel. Call now.